In this video I'm going to teach you how you can buy the cryptocurrency. Okay, and now we have a balance is $5. Okay, and we look for the highest currency. As you can see, these are the lowest trading coins now today so far, so we will change towards the highest currency. And with Tomo chain is 36% high, render coin is 33, and injective is 26. So let's see, we are gonna invest in this inject. It's going good. Inject is going good, so we're gonna invest in inject, and I will tell you how you can buy this coin. Okay, we have inject INJ, and we can see this another rise from this currency. It is going low, render, and the render is also going low, so we are going for injective. Now how to buy it, you can see that they have a good it's going totally upwards from 1 week. Okay, and here is 107% high, 107%. Wow. So we're gonna buy this. Okay, last year it was $1, now it's $9. For example, if you have invested $1 million, you have today $9 million. So we click here, and we are going to buy the injective coin. We are going to convert. I have USDT max. We search for render. No, sorry, injective IN. This is injective. We click on the max and review the conversation and buy. As you see, we have purchased another coin from USDT, and I can show you now. See the injective coin, I have now 4.4 balance. Injective coin, and this is a trending. Injective coin is 27%. It's going good. Now you can see I have earned 2 cents within the seconds. This is how you can trade 3 cents. Wow, it's going marvelous. Okay, 8 cents, you can see it's going very nice. So it's a good currency for us. In this video I have taught you how you can buy it. Injective is a good coin, and my signal is that you should invest in this coin. Okay, as you can see, we have earned 4 cents in a few seconds. If you invest a lot of dollars, you will earn more. If you invest $1 million, you will earn $9 million. So invest with me. If you want to invest, then comment here. I will guide you how to invest. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, the best coins, the best signals I can give you, because I'm watching their history from last 1 year. Every coin, how they are changing, how they are going upwards and downwards. Okay, and you have to keep an eye on the coin from first day to last 30 days. Check its history, how it's going up, how it's going down. Okay, so it is now one of the best coin, injective coins and many other coins, but you should check the history of all the coins. Okay, and the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and nowadays they are a little bit going down. Okay, the massive crash in the cryptocurrency. So if you want to invest in cryptocurrency, and text me, I will guide you how to invest. Okay, it will goes ups and down, and we can check the highest currency from here and the lowest coins price, hot market. Okay, the Bitcoin is going massive up. It is 8.8. Wow, nice. There. So it has a good increase, man, in Bitcoin. It means from $27,000 to almost $30,000. Wow, in just one day. Bitcoin is also going good. If you want to invest in Bitcoin, it is one of the best coin. As you can see, it was down for a couple of months ago, and in the week it's also going up. We see it's 10% in month. If you have invested 1 week ago $26,000, you have earned $30,000 now. If we talk about 1 year ago, if you have invested $40,000, today you have a $15,000. This is the drawback of the Bitcoin. The highest peak was $40,000. Okay, then it's dropped towards 15,000. In between now is $30,000. And we are checking the everything how to invest. You have to keep an eye on it. I suggest you that when you wake up, okay, and you are free, okay, and you keep an eye for 3-4 hours, then you invest in cryptocurrency. Okay, there are two type of investment. One is buy in the dip and sell when it goes up. Okay, another is that you hold it for a time. When it increases after few months, then you sold it. So I suggest you that do the best trading is to do the means when it's buy in the dip, when it's got up, just sell it out and earn the profit. Invest as much invest, you will earn more money.